and welcome to Beads Jar. My name's Billie and today I'm going to show you how to make this Liberty ribbon with beautiful swallow bird pendant. To make our project we're going to use these Miyuki seed beads, these twisted silver lined glass beads, some little 6mm round glass beads, the bird charm, the antique gold jump rings, a lobster clasp, 4 leather ends, 2 head pins, and I've also pre-cut here 2 18cm lengths of Liberty ribbon. I'm also going to need a pair of side cutters, 2 pairs of flat nose pliers and a pair of round nose pliers. To start this project, I'm firstly going to take my head pin, and what I want to do here with my round nose pliers is to create a loop. To do this, I'm going to place the head pin in the pliers so it's flush with the top of the pliers. With a nice firm grip on my right hand, I'm just going to start rolling the head pin over. When my wrist gets to a point where I can't move it any further, I just release the grip, spin the pliers around and then grip it again. As it rolls, you'll notice the end is touching against the pin again. That's perfect, that's where we want it. So we've started creating our loop. When it's at that point, you just want to go back to your start position and just ever so gently tweak it back so we're creating more of a lollipop shape. So I'm just going to repeat that with the second head pin. So flush with the top of the pliers, and then I'm just going to grip and start rolling the head pin away until it joins again. I then want to just give that the quick tweak back. Next, I'm going to actually remove the head pin bit using the side cutters. So we just want to take them off. Do the same on the second one. This loop that we've created, I'm then going to use a pair of flat nose pliers, and supporting the neck of the pin, I'm just going to lift that up so I can attach it onto the bird charm. And then you want to close that together again. Do the same on the other side. So support the neck on the head pin, lift that up and attach the charm. You'll now see both the head pins are attached here. So I'm just going to thread the order of beads I want on either side. Just placing a Miyuki seed bead in between each of the larger beads, and one to start and one to finish for my pattern. And now we want to create a loop here, and I'm going to do that in exactly the same way I did to create the first one. I'm just going to roll that down and then just give it a quick tweak back. Just check there's no gaps. So I'm just going to do the same pattern on the other side. So grip that and we're going to take that down. So we've got the loop. So now we have our beads from the wings going up, and we're now going to attach the ribbon. take your flat nose pliers again and one end of the ribbon. Just gently roll that so it's halved, and you're going to lay the ribbon in one of the leather ends. With the flat nose pliers now, we're going to fold one side of the end over, and then once that's secure, we just want to twist that round so that you can get the other side over. So that's attached onto our ribbon. Do the same on all 4 sides of the ribbon. So this particular piece now has 2 ends, and the same on this one. So now all 4 leather ends are on the ribbon. Okay, so now to attach the ribbon to this component part we've used. So you just want to reopen the loop, so support low down as you pull that open. Attach the end onto the opened ring, and you're just going to close that back. And then we want to do the same on the other side. So you're just going to take the side of the loop, twist that open, and hook the leather end onto there. And then we close this back. So now we have all those components attached together, and we just want to finish with our fastener. This time I'm going to use a second pair of pliers, flat-nosed, and holding one side of my my jump ring, and then going to use the opposite pair of pliers to just push that edge away. The opened ring is going to go through the leather end, and also on this side I'm going to attach my fastener. You then want to just close that back together. Make sure there's no gaps. On this one, we just want to open the jump ring and attach it onto the leather end. So once that jump ring's on, you then have completed the necklace. So that's the fastener together, and that gives you this beautiful little bird on Liberty ribbon necklace. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you for our next tutorial. Goodbye!